RIOT stock analysis. This is for Friday and onward. My buying is the question, and I'm covering this in this short 1 minute video. First things first, with RIOT platforms, you can clearly see the price has gone up 5%. That's how my drawings look like. And before I get deeper, I have done 32,000 videos and I've spent thousands of dollars on course expenditure over the last 4 years. And as a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of correct predictions. My specific approach was, if I saw that double break, I was willing to long, and it was a proper -1 hour, just a proper one, just a quick little one, completely part of the game, because I have a limit, to not trade more than 2 trades in a range, because then there's a thing called over trading, where you just full margin. But nah, the way that I'm looking to take things higher is still long, only if the rules are met though. Here, where if the price pulls a tad bit lower, and then gives me that double break. Here right now specifically, not really. So I'm definitely willing to wait. If you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. There is a free daily newsletter.